Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best Neutrogena Tanning Lotion is probably one of the most sought-after products for achieving a sun-kissed glow without the harmful UV exposure, offering a convenient and accessible way for individuals to enhance their natural skin tone and achieve a beautiful, even tan right in the comfort of their own homes, making it a popular choice for those seeking a safe and effective tanning solution. Number 5. B.TAN Ultra Dark Self Tanner Mousse. Want the darkest tan possible? Get ready for an express sunless tan that develops in just 1 hour. It's your secret to a beautiful, golden glow. This fast-acting mousse makes achieving a flawless tan simple. Apply it easily to your face and body for an even, streak-free finish. Enjoy the sun-kissed look without the unpleasant odor. Our formula is designed to leave you smelling fresh, not fake. Feel good about your tan. This product is proudly vegan and cruelty-free, so you can achieve a gorgeous glow ethically. Experience a rich, golden bronzing glow that looks natural and radiant. It's the perfect way to enhance your skin tone. With a generous 6.7 fluid ounces size, you'll have plenty of product for multiple applications. Enjoy long-lasting results and a beautiful tan. What we like? This product delivers an ultra-dark tan in just 1 hour. It's perfect for those who want a deep, rich color quickly without the typical fake tan odor. If you're looking for the darkest possible tan in the shortest amount of time, this is the one for you. What people say. This product is great for a natural-looking tan. It is easy to apply and does not leave streaks. The lotion moisturizes the skin while tanning. Number 4. B.TAN Violet Self Tanner Kit Dark Tanning Mousse. Get ready to experience a tan like never before. This bundle is designed to give you a beautiful, natural-looking glow that you'll fall in love with from the very first application. Achieve a perfect bronze with our easy-to-use dark tanning mousse. The included mitt applicator ensures a smooth, even application for a streak-free finish every time. In a hurry? Our 1-hour express formula allows you to develop a gorgeous tan quickly. Simply apply, wait an hour, and rinse for a beautiful bronzed glow. Enjoy the best bronzing glow without the common drawbacks. This self-tanner is formulated to avoid orange tones and that unpleasant fake tan smell. Feel good about your tan. Our formula is vegan, ensuring you can achieve a stunning, natural-looking tan while staying true to your values. With 6.7 fluid ounces, you have plenty of product to maintain your beautiful glow. Enjoy multiple applications for a consistently radiant complexion. What we like? Achieve a beautiful, dark tan with a violet base that prevents any orange tones. It comes with a mitt for easy application, ensuring a flawless finish. If you desire a natural-looking dark tan and want to avoid the dreaded orange hue, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. This is a great product that gives you a nice tan. It is easy to apply and does not leave streaks. The lotion is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. Number 3. Jergens Natural Glow and Shower Lotion. Achieve a beautiful, natural-looking tan without the sun. This in-shower lotion makes sunless tanning simple and effective. Specially formulated for fair to medium skin tones. It helps to gradually build a flawless color that looks like you've been kissed by the sun. Simply apply it to your wet skin in the shower. Rinse off and go. It's that easy to get a gorgeous glow. Enjoy a streak-free, gradual color development. It works over time to give you a consistent, beautiful and natural-looking tan. This lotion not only tans but also hydrates your skin. Get soft, moisturized skin with a radiant, sun-kissed finish. What we like? This lotion allows you to achieve a gradual, natural-looking tan while you shower. It's specifically designed for fair to medium skin tones, building color subtly over time. If you prefer a low-maintenance, buildable tan and want to incorporate tanning into your daily routine, this is ideal. What people say. This product is great for a natural-looking tan. It is easy to apply and does not leave streaks. The lotion moisturizes the skin while tanning. Number 2. B.TAN Self Tan Mitt. Tired of tanners staining your hands? Our applicator glove is designed to keep your palms clean and provide a flawless, streak-free application every time. Experience a luxurious feel with our velvety soft mitt. It glides smoothly over your skin, ensuring an even and natural-looking tan. This reusable applicator is a sustainable choice for your sunless tanning routine. Simply wash and reuse for countless perfect tans. Achieve a beautiful glow all over. It's ideal for applying foam, mousse, gradual lotions, and tanning drops to both your face and body. With its integrated thumb, this glove offers superior control and precision. Get ready for a professional quality, sunless tan from the comfort of your home. What we like? Say goodbye to stained hands with this velvety soft mitt designed for streak-free application. It works perfectly with foams, mousses, lotions, and drops. If you want to ensure an even tan all over and keep your palms clean, this applicator is a must-have. What people say. It is a good product that works well. This product is a good value for the money. I would recommend this product to others. Number 1. Jergens Natural Glow Self Tanner Body Lotion. Introducing Jergens Natural Glow. Get a beautiful, sun-kissed look without the sun. This daily lotion is perfect for medium to deep skin tones. It gradually builds a natural-looking tan over time. Enriched with coconut oil, vitamin E, and antioxidants, it deeply moisturizes your skin. Enjoy soft, hydrated skin while you tan. Incorporate this into your daily routine for effortless sunless tanning. It's the easy way to maintain a healthy glow year-round. Get more of what you love with this convenient pack of 2. Always have your favorite self-tanner on hand. What we like? This daily body lotion provides a gradual tan while deeply moisturizing your skin. It's formulated for medium to deep skin tones and enriched with coconut oil and vitamin E. If you're looking for a daily dose of hydration and a subtle, sun-kissed glow for deeper complexions, this product is perfect. What people say. This product is a great way to get a natural-looking tan without the sun. It is easy to apply and does not leave streaks. The lotion is lightweight and absorbs quickly into the skin. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.